Alright guys, I woke up feeling some kind of way. We got this Lamborghini sitting in the garage and felt like we need to turn lemons into lemonade, bro. We just got to do it. I'm out here building cool cars. I know you guys are appreciating. I'm seeing the love. I'm seeing the growth on the channel. I'm seeing the growth on the IG, on the TikTok. Thank you guys. But I know you guys want some of this content right here. You want some of that Lamborghini content. And she's not done yet, man. I got to do her justice. You know, yeah, she is going through some things right now, but she's about to go through some better things, guys. She's about to go through some better things with your boy. Let me close this garage. I'm about to take you guys on a build journey. This isn't the V2 I thought it was gonna be, but it's the V2 that it is. Reality check. So here we are. I have parts that just never even got installed on this car. They need to, man. So we're loaded up because I know we got wheels. Yeah. NXS. Appreciate you guys, man. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you for the sponsorship. We're gonna bring the Lamborghini back to life, man. I'm gonna take you guys on that journey, so stay tuned. Let's get on the way. We're headed over to Dr. Rim Repair. He's gonna do us with some ceramic coating because we gotta do this properly, make sure everything's gleaming for you guys. And we're gonna take her out to stun a few times. So stay tuned, let's go. We got tires on deck. 225, 35, 20s. And then we got some 295. I believe they're 35s. It's early. Need to get to drinking my energy right now. Wake up a little bit. It's 295 35s, I think. They might be 30s. We're gonna stretch some tire, guys. Let's do this. All right, guys, we out here. You don't want to see the boring shit, man. So you don't want to see the offloading and all that. But here's the wheels. So Falcon FK10s are gonna go on my backs. 295 30 ZR21s. You guys see it? Bam. Those are brand new. These don't have stickers. They look a little dusty. Believe me, they were just sitting in SC Garages or SC Motorsports. I'm sorry, his shelf, man, for a while. So they are actually brand new. You see all the tread. These are also Falcon FK510s, 225 35s, guys. Now, here we go. Here's the big, no one's seen it. You guys are gonna be the first ones to get that real taste. But here we go. Woo. NXS came through. My sponsor on this one. Dr. Rim Repair, if you guys didn't know, my sponsor as well, man. I'm showing that love out here. Ray and his squad, killing it. Stretch tire, caliper work, bent your rim. That shit happens to all of us, right? Scraped your caliper. Somebody did a bad job. They scraped your caliper. They scratched your rim. All that. Look at that. Brand names. You want to switch it up? Color profiles, rivets, 3-piece. Hey, Dr. Rim Repair, Ray. Right? Holding it down for him out here. Let's go. All right, guys. That's the wheel. Hope you guys like what we did. And NXS put together for us. You see the back has the powder coated orange. Rivets are orange. I think I'm going to get the Scott NXS and the line right there in my center cap. You guys see the center cap with pinstripe. Like have somebody come in with that little, you know, that little fine touch. I'm not good at it. I can't do it. But orange to match. And I think that'll tie together this wheel after seeing it. But yeah, we are out of here. We're gonna let Dr. Rim Repair do his thing. Step 2, let's go. We're going to get these intakes taken care of while Dr. Rim Repair is taking care of the wheels for us, getting them ceramic coated, getting those dialed for us, tires mounted, balanced, ready. We're gonna go ahead and get this installed. So, shout out to Marlowe Race Parts, man. I know you've been waiting. When is he gonna mount them? When is he gonna mount them? From what everybody knew, man, Lambo was down and it was gone. It's again turning lemons into lemonade, man. I'm gonna turn this thing into a full show car. Yeah, still bring it and give you guys an enjoyment. It does still drive. It does still sound great. I'm gonna leave the stock exhaust. I think we shall see. But for now, let's go ahead and get this intake taken care of. You guys want to see what Marlo gave us? So So some of you guys seen this in a post a long time ago, but again, never mounted. So here we go. Take a look at these things. Woo. Look at that work. MRP. All right, Marlo, let's get it done, buddy. So that way. And the other one then filters over here. So I'm gonna do my best to document this, guys, but obviously I got work to do. So we're gonna be taking off the hatch. I'm gonna leave it removed. We're gonna take off these side panels. We're gonna do the intake, get that stuff done. I'm hoping to knock this all out today. Let's get it. Step one, we got that hatch off. Thank you to my boys, help right there, my guys. Team Visionary, let's get it. Hatch is off. What do you guys think? I think we just leave it like that. We're gonna take off some panels, we're gonna put the new intakes, and I think it looks pretty cool. Hope you guys agree. Panels off. Now we gotta get to those. I think we're gonna take that bracket off. That bracket and just put the bolts back in. Looks cleaner. Get that side off. Let's get back to it. Alright, gotta get that out. Gotta get that one out. Get those off. Sensors off. And then it should come right out. So I can't hold this thing and do it at the same time. I know you guys don't want to follow along with some unscrewing. So I'm gonna try my best to get you guys in this thing step by step, but when we got the tools we needed, let's get it. Got most of it off. Bolts off, bolts off, bolt off, off. Got that guy back there off. We loosened those. We loosened those. Now I just gotta loosen those. That guy right there and that guy right there. Take off that sensor and technically it should just pop off. So this little clip right here is for my intake. That clip right there. All you gotta do, hopefully you guys will see okay. Trying, guys, I'm trying. All you gotta do is there's a little button at the bottom of it. You can snap it out, pops out and looks just like that, guys. So once you get it out, that's what it'll look like. That connects mass airflow sensor, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, man. I don't know all the names of these parts. I just know how to take shit apart, put it back together the way I like it. Sometimes you gotta pry these things off a little bit, guys. Don't be afraid. That's how it goes. are out. Old intake boxes out. On the floor, guys. We just need to get those sensors out. And then fit them into these new intakes from Marlowe. There we go. Get these things sized up. See, that's where the sensor will go. So I get those sensors off, get them to fit onto this, and then we can start installing again. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Seeing this thing coming together. It was a blessing to me to always have a Lambo, man. Dream come true, poor kid's dream. We've made something of ourselves, and the fact that it's sitting in my garage and I come see it every day, I felt like I have all these new parts that nobody even got to see. These are custom, man. Nobody has these. Thank you to my sponsor for helping me develop them and create them for the look we were going for this thing. Thank you to NXS for the wheels, man. You guys haven't seen them yet. So new wheels coming on this thing. I mean, I shouldn't say you guys haven't seen them yet, but prior to today's video, right? Like, I never got to finish my project. So regardless that it's gonna be a show car going forward up until further notice, it's something I felt I had to finish. I had to finish it, guys. So I hope you guys do appreciate the journey, appreciate the build, and following along with me, man. If you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. That watch time, your guys' views means the world. Check out our website if you guys like the gear, beanies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, anything custom too. We can put your car, your loved one on a shirt, anything. VisionaryFE.com, man, visionarylabels.com. Thank you guys, let's get it. That sensor off. Fit. Good job, Marlowe. Good job, my boy. Money. That looks great. Progress being made. That was the scariest part is Marlowe Race Parts is in Washington, man. This is the first time he's ever made them for a Lamborghini. He has done it on an R8. Jesus, tongue twister on that one. What the hell? But shout out to whoever that R8 owner was, man, with Marlowe Race Parts out in Washington. Thank you, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have these in my hand right now. And if I did have them in my hand, they wouldn't have dialed in with that sensor the way it did right there. So thank you to you, my friend. But good news, they are on. MRP, man. Thank you. Next phase, let's get them on there. Oh, titanium. Here's the scheme I was going for. So hook this up with those blues. Double blue AFEs. To dial in on that girl. It's gonna look so good. There she is. There's one. There's one. Let's get that light for you guys. Marlowe Race Parts, man, came through. I know it looks like a lot of space right now, but once the covers are back on, it'll actually tie in and look really good. So I'm happy with the way it came in. Everything fit. I had to do some minor modifications, which if you see the rubber grommet right there, I had to notch that out with a razor blade to get it to fit. And I took that directly off of the air box. So yeah, that's one thing. But if any of you guys ever have any questions, man, in regards to what did I do, how did I do it, you come into an obstacle, DM me, hit me on the comments of the video, and I'll definitely always do my best to get back to you guys as quickly as possible, man. Thank you guys. Let's keep it going. So guys, that's the notch you're gonna need to make. So I pulled this off. It's the stock one that comes off of your stock intakes. These are 3.5 inch. They're what fit on the manifold. So they fit right here. Right here, right on your manifold, okay? If you don't use these ones, those usually with your intake, those are gonna be 3 inch, 3.5 inch. So use the stock ones. All you gotta do is notch it so that, you see that little area right there? Watch, it's gonna fit perfect. So look guys, look at that notch. Look at how that fits perfect. That's what you need. Don't want no air leaking. You want this done right. So sometimes using the factory components saves you a couple bucks and it works. So why not? Little minor modification. We got it all dialed in. I did my best to keep you guys along the ride with that, but man, some of it I just couldn't keep the camera on it. But check it out. TIG welded, titanium, MRP custom Huracan short ram intakes. From my understanding, first ever on the Huracan platform. So now everybody's done a lot of different styles, a lot of different things, and blah blah blah. But for those, I believe those are the first. I haven't seen any short rams like that on the Huracan yet. Anyway, first start. Gotta touch it. Huracan in my garage. Come on guys, show that love. Yes! Success, guys, success. I know, technically it should just start. There should have been nothing, but if those airflow sensors had any issues, I don't know about the Lamborghini platform and how sensitive it is. I've learned that the computer's already really sensitive, so the fact that we got it, I'm super stoked. Super happy, guys, and it looks really good. All right, now I gotta put it all back together, the fun part.